Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E4 Plus, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, so it's right here for me. And if you don't have any contacts, you should see the Import Contacts button, so just tap on it. And it will give you two options from VCF file or SIM card. We're performing this from a SIM card, so that's what we're going to choose, but you can also choose VCF file if you have created one previously on a different device, for instance. It will just create a file that you can send to yourself and then download it and basically import contacts from it. So let's just go to SIM, and it'll give you all the numbers that are on here, which for me is not very many, as you can see. So you can tap on the contacts that you want to import, which when you tap on them, it automatically says imported contact, and that's about it. You can also choose here to import all if you want to. And if I go back, you can see that now instead of having the import button, I have the two numbers that I have imported. Now also, if you already have some numbers and you don't have the button right here, you can tap on the buttons right here, go into settings, and from there, or just simply choose here import export, and it will give you again the option import from a SIM card. So that is how you would import it. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.